Hello guys, welcome to Chemionix. In this video we are going to see standard procedure of the starting the AutoCAD file. Here we can see two different variant of AutoCAD are available, which are called the AutoCAD full version, and second one is the AutoCAD LT. The LT version is the lighter version AutoCAD which has a limited set of the features, although all the basic features are similar in the both the software. Still some advanced features like 3D tools and the sheet set are not available in the AutoCAD LT. Apart from that, everything is same for the AutoCAD as well as the AutoCAD LT, including the user interface. For more and detailed understanding, we have divided this training video into 4 sessions. Session 1, how to open the file from the scratch, unit information, uses basic information and short information of model space and the paper space. Session 2, layer setup, line type and line weight. Session 3, dimension setting. Session 4, page setup and plot configuration. Let's start session 1. We will cover open the file from scratch, uses basic information in this session. So this is my desktop. Now I am opening the AutoCAD software with double click. When you start AutoCAD for the very first time, this is how your interface is going to look. Here you can see the start screen of the AutoCAD software, and to start a new drawing we all need to do just click on the start drawing box here. And it will start a new tab. After opening the file, you need to set unit first. There are two types of AutoCAD units, drawing units and drawing display unit. So let's discuss about drawing units. For check and change drawing unit, you need to type -dwg unit command. Once you set drawing unit, then no need to change drawing display unit again, because it will change the unit automatically with the drawing units. So let's type dwg unit command in the command line. First you can see drawing unit format in the command line. Then as per your requirement you need to choose the unit and enter. So we kept 3 for the millimeter. After selecting the primary unit, the command shows you drawing display unit format, which is the your display unit. In the display unit format you will get to see architecture, decimal and so on, and you need to choose it unit as per your requirement and enter it. So we kept 2 for the decimal. After selecting the display unit you will get option to choosing precision setting. So you choose your precision setting as per your requirement and click enter. We are keeping 4 here. Now AutoCAD will ask you to change the drawing scale as per your units. Click yes or no. So we kept yes. Then AutoCAD will ask you to match the insert unit with your present drawing. So just click yes. Like this you can set your drawing units. So let's discuss drawing display unit. After setting the drawing unit, you need to check measuring unit for verify. Type UN for display unit command. Here we can see all settings which we have already set in the drawing unit command. Check once. If you want to change anything, change it accordingly. And press OK. So let's discuss short introduction of model space and paper space. You can get model space and paper space tab at left bottom corner. But if it is not showing there, then type OP or right click on the drawing area and click option. Now we can see here option window. Then go to the display tool and click display layout and model tab to active. Then click OK. Now we can see here model space and paper space visible. We will discuss more about model space and paper space later in the plot and page setup session. Now let's talk about the UCS, which is the last topic of this session. UCS means User Coordinate Systems, that establishes the line XY work plane, horizontal and vertical directions, axis of rotations, and other useful geometric references. You can change the UCS origin and orientation for convenience as per your specific point. When you take any blank file like this, your UCS already set 0, 0, 0 axis, and that we can check with ID command. Here we can see 0, 0,00076, y axis 0, 0075, and z axis 0, 0, 0. It means our drawing is exactly set on the 0, 0, 0 UCS axis. It is tentatively showing, but if you want to see correct coordinates, then go to the line command, type L, enter, and place their user coordinates 0, 0, 0. You will get first point at 0, 0, 0. It means our drawing is properly set with 0, 0, 0 axis. But sometime you will get rotated UCS file from the client, and that UCS is might be not straight. So in that case, change the UCS as per your requirement. For that you need to do few setting. So let's see how to do that.
So let's assume this is our client file. In that file, you can see our X and Y coordinates properly placed on the drawing. But our drawing is rotated and your client is not allowing to rotate our file. So in that scenario, how can we work straight in this file? And that we are going to see. For change the UCS direction, just type UCS command. Now it will ask you to origin point. So we are just clicking on our origin point. After set our origin point, it will ask x-axis direction. So we just keep like this. Then y-axis. Then we just keep like this. Once it's done, you can see in the screen x and y coordinates parallelly match with client drawing. Then go to the UCS man command. Type UCS man. UCS man means UCS manager. So once you type UCS man command, you will see the UCS window. Then you have to set here name first. It is showing unnamed because it is the current UCS, which will be just kept in the AutoCAD file. So we just write here test, set current. Don't forget to set current. Then go to the orthographic UCS bar. In that you can see here top, bottom, front, back, left types of names that UCS. So we are just keeping as a top and change the relative to text. Once it's done, you have to click on the set current bar and OK. Then go to the views. Here we can get top view, bottom view, left view, right view, and so on. So we are just clicking on the top. Now we can see here our UCS is parallel with our CAD file. I hope you like this video. Thank you.